Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's update this plugin VisualStudioDebug to work with dark theme, just to update the image and make more prettier. Yeah, so gonna be a pretty easy update because I already have all the images for the dark theme and light. So I just need to update basically the package that I'm using. Let's see, already update in this case. So let's build this. This should load in here, pretty sure, and should be working. Yeah, that's the light theme for this image. So if I swap that, that should go back with the original. So yeah, that's basically kind of simple to update. Just update the library and should be ready to go. So I'm just gonna update this and update something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Let's update this version 1.2.0. What? 40730. Yeah. Update dot revit dot y to version 0.7.0 to to update image. Yeah, image. Yeah, something like that. Good enough. And here 1.2.0. Yes, and I guess that's it. Yeah, that's kind of pretty fast and easy update. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna update this in GitHub and yeah, see you. Bye bye.